Happy Easter mga Dairyfa! For today's video, let's make mango float. It's already mango season here in Dipolog, so let's make something delicious out of mango fruit. Mango float is one of the easiest dessert recipe to make. All you have to do is to mix all the ingredients. Of course, what to prepare first is your mango. Make sure nga hinog na inyong mango Dairyfa kung dili aslom dyan na siya pareha sa mo. I whipped my all-purpose cream to double its size, cut the mango to strips to garnish, and cubes to mix it in the whipped cream. Make sure to soak the graham cracker in a milk mixture before you assemble. That's it. Mag-make na ka og layer sa crushed graham, sa cracker, and then the cream mixture. Repeat the process until it's done. Lami ang mango float if you will whip the cream para dili sluggish ang imuhang mixture. And then, chill it overnight para mura siyag ice cream. And presentation-wise, mamili jud ta og biscuit nga dili buak. Aside sa dali ra siya i-assemble, limpyo siya tan-awon, unlike sa amoa nga na puros buak siya. It's garnish time, and here's my own version of mango float. Taste test!
Magtambok daw.
Tita ko kay Dolphy.
Good job,